Hi guys, today I'll be working on a Mazda CX5. So I'm here to perform remove the backing cover so I can change the camshaft, the injector seal, and the rocker arms, other rocker. So first of all, I have to go about it. First of all, I'll have to move the battery head. I'll first plug these 10 bolts, 10 nuts, these two. Lose this one, then lose this one to move the battery head. Then second of all, then you see how I have marked my injectors rails, the pipes. So this is the injector pipe 1. I mark it with the injectors, and this is the 2. So it's running all towards. So yeah, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is the return pipe to the high pressure pump. So I move these 4 injectors, then lose this wiring a bit. Then from there we see how it goes. Then you will lose this pipe, then exhaust pressure sensor. Then I'll show you how we go step by step, how to remove your your valve cover for Mazda CX5 engine 2015. All right, let's go. So you can see the battery head is off, and I've moved the battery. So next off, I'm gonna lose the injectors, and I'll show you step by step. I'll first lose all these injector rails first, then next off, then I'll lose this injector, this pipe running to the high pressure pump. So I'll show you. And the tool you're gonna use for this, losing this injector and the pump pipes, are 17 spanner. So the 4 pipes are off, so remaining this. So next step, how to lose this one, is coming from the high pressure pump. You have to lose these 8 bolts. There's 1 here, there's a 10 nuts here. Then to go access to this one, you have to slide this air pipe, this nut, then push it a bit out. Then you lose. You can see the bolts here. You have to lose it, and also you have to lose this one too. This is 14. I also keep the you have to keep the gasket to don't lose the gasket to avoid leaking. Yeah, pretty much. Then I just have to move this air pipe, just that 10 bolt there. I just lose it, then remove it. So you can see the 10 nut is slack, so you just have to move it aside to get access to this 17. You can see, so you just have to put in your spanner through there. The 17 spanner through there, and then the 17 spanner through there, then slack. So we just slack from here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, see, it's done.